name's Max Ryan. I'm an Australian studying the MBA program at Cambridge Business School. Three things really made Judge stand out to me. First, I think the mix of kind of academic depth, but also hands-on work was really appealing. So through the program, I've had the chance to lead a number of projects with real clients across things like change management, pricing, go-to-market strategy. And each of these kind of experiential opportunities have allowed me to apply the course materials to real-world contexts, which has been a real highlight for me this year. Secondly, I was after a really global experience, and the Judge cohort brings together, more than 40 nationalities representing a range of different industries, and each and every person I've met on the program thinks in a completely different way to me. And that's been huge for how I personally approach problem solving and how I think. Finally, I think the Cambridge ecosystem was obviously very appealing. We have the Silicon Fen, one of Europe's largest tech clusters. It's right on our doorstep. And through that, I've been able to connect with companies like Arm and think tanks like the Frugal AI Hub. And those interactions have been real highlights for me. And outside of that, being part of the broader University of Cambridge adds another dimension that I think very few MBAs offer. Getting to join a college and take part in traditions like formal hall dinners and May balls really makes you feel connected to something much bigger than just the business school. And I think reflecting on my career to date, which has really blended strategy with a technical expertise in valuations, I really wanted to use the MBA to take a step back and broaden my capabilities, my perspectives, and Judge has definitely given me that space and really pushed me as a leader. I'm incredibly grateful to have received the Dean's Scholarship. It means so much to me that an institution like Judge and like Cambridge University saw potential in me before I'd even arrived. And it's really motivated me to hold myself to the highest possible standard, to show up every day, support others, contribute where I can. I guess it's really pushed me to be someone that the school would feel proud to have backed. So yeah, incredibly grateful and motivated. Two modules in particular really added kind of new dimensions to how I think. So firstly, strategy. I personally really love going after that next big pivot or new growth idea. And this module really helped me to take a step back and appreciate how powerful it can actually be to start with what a company already does exceptionally well and figure out how to do that even better. And that's certainly changed the way that I look at growth. I think it's just as much about focusing your efforts as it is sort of innovating to find that next big thing. And I think secondly, organizational behavior and leadership. So this module definitely gave me a deeper appreciation for how inseparable strategy and people really are. People can absolutely make or break a strategy. And the modules help me to sort of connect my strategic worldview with the organizational dynamics that determine what actually would work in practice. So I'd say those two modules have been the most impactful for me on my consulting mindset. The CVP was a real highlight for me this year, mostly because it pushed me into a completely new domain. So we had the opportunity to work with Arm, with support from Judge's own Frugal AI Hub and Databricks, advising them on the change management side of a digital transformation initiative that they're undergoing. And getting to lead a really diverse team in an area I'd never worked in before was a big personal stretch for me. And the project really did show me how intricate that people side of strategy is. But given those challenges, I'm really proud looking back on our recommendations, which did land really well with the client. And I guess the CVP also reminded me exactly why I came to Cambridge in the first place. I got to work with a major company in the Silicon Fen, tackle a problem completely outside my wheelhouse, working alongside a truly global team. It was exactly the kind of experience that I wanted from the MBA. So yeah, it was incredibly positive. Most of the impact related work that I'd done before the MBA was really centered on sustainability. So everything from rolling out, brand new electric fire trucks to standing up large renewable energy projects. And the MBA has really pushed me to broaden that view. I guess in strategy, we're always talking about activity systems, how everything inside a firm connects, and Judge has really encouraged us to zoom out and look at the broader societal systems that businesses operate in. And that shift has really helped me to see impact in a much wider sense, not just on the environmental side, but also the social, the cultural, the governance factors that can influence long-term value. And I guess thinking about impact through this broader systems kind of lens has made my approach a lot more holistic. And while my sort of core philosophy hasn't changed, the MBA has definitely broadened it and helped me to spot new ways that businesses can create value through impact. For me, it's never been a trade-off. I've always personally believed that commercial outcomes and impact can absolutely work together, especially if you do take sort of that value first perspective. Investing in impact can reduce risk, can improve your cost of capital, strengthen how investors perceive you and look at you and their sentiment toward you. And all of these factors can drive shareholder value even before cash flows show up. So I guess when you look at it through that lens, you come to find that a lot of these initiatives actually do stack up on both the commercial side and the impact side. And knowing that coming into the MBA, what's really changed for me is my understanding of just how many levers businesses actually have to create value through impact. People, including me, often focus on the environmental side, but the social, the governance initiatives, things like building inclusion, improving transparency, strengthening community relationships, those things can all unlock a great deal of value as well. The MBA really reinforced for me that sustainable leadership isn't just about having a really strong vision, but actually committing the capital, the time, the incentives that you need to deliver on that vision. It also means being willing to take the long view, so making decisions that might not lift short-term earnings, but will build real value over time by reducing risk, strengthening culture, and boosting businesses' social license to operate. And for me, it's also about having the confidence to stand up for what you do believe in, and backing it with solid insight, solid analysis, so that you can find the win-wins that make these initiatives work for everybody. And I guess together these things create the conditions that you need to scale impact well beyond kind of just one leader. And that to me is what sustainable leadership's all about. So one of the biggest ways judges pushed me outside my comfort zone was by putting me in domains where I wasn't at all the technical expert. I'm used to being the person with a really deep technical understanding of the problem, especially when I'm looking at strategic decisions through a really technical valuations lens. So the MBA threw me into situations from pricing strategy to change management where I had to operate without having all the answers. And what I learned is that I can still add a great deal of value in those settings. So bringing an outside-in view and using my own experiences to connect dots that others might have missed. And that mattered because I didn't come here just to design the strategies. I came to understand how those strategies actually land across an entire organization. And now I have a much broader appreciation for the entire transformation journey, as well as setting that strategic direction up front. Two changes have really stood out for me. First, I've developed a much broader understanding of how different functions within an organization think and operate. I now have a much clearer sense of how functions like operations, marketing, human capital, governance all intersect and make decisions. And that's given me a much broader awareness of how strategies do actually land across an organization. Second, I think personally, I've really evolved as a leader. The MBA has given me a number of opportunities to experiment with and refine my leadership style in really diverse teams, complex situations. And I now think I'm much better at building alignment, identifying barriers and overcoming them, and creating psychological safety within my teams, which I'm really, really happy with. You don't need to brand yourself as an impact consultant to be able to do meaningful work. I'd say start with strong commercial foundations, really understand how value is created, how risk and capital are managed, how they're allocated. And this kind of lets you build up commercial cases that others might miss, especially for initiatives that don't obviously have the financial legs to gain immediate traction within an organization. I'd also encourage you to broaden how you think about impact. It's not just environmental; those social and governance levers can create just as much value, if not more. And finally, use the MBA to experiment. Try different industries, get hands-on with real projects, and put yourself in situations where you're not the expert and you don't have all the answers. And I think Judge in particular gives you a lot of freedom. And if you're really proactive, you can absolutely shape an MBA experience that is uniquely you, truly broadens your perspectives, and genuinely stands out.